What's up guys, it's your boy, Mad Mike. And on today's episode, we're gonna finish up the bodywork on the front clip. So stay tuned, check it out. So guys, we got some body filler here. We went ahead and fixed the crack here, as well as over here. This scoop was all cracked off, so this was 3 pieces. And in the last episode I just posted, I did the repairs to this by just using some JB Weld to hold the parts together. And now everything's been rough sanded. And I think I sanded it down to like 100 grit. So when I apply the body filler, it grabs to all this stuff really well. And then I can do all my final sanding. And once I get my final sanding done, I can lay down some primer and get it ready for paint. So let's go ahead, clean this up, and apply some body filler. Alrighty guys, we are in the storage shed right now. We're just about to mix up some body filler. I went ahead and grabbed an old pizza box, and I'll use a for sale sign to lay all the body filler on and spread it out and stir it all up. That way I got a nice flat surface and I can make a great big puddle of body filler, and then I'll bring it over to the front lip of the car and start laying it in. So let's get to mixing up this body filler.
Let's go.
Alright guys, let's start to lay on the body filler. It's thoroughly mixed. Let's go ahead and start laying it on. Right now I'm just putting it on the big open cracks. Just make sure you're just do a kind of like a fill coat. Alrighty guys, we got the first rough coat of kind of body filler on the front lip. We'll go ahead, let this cure, and then tomorrow we'll come in and do some fine body filler and finish it all off. What's up guys, today's episode, we're gonna finish up repairing the front lip and apply some primer. So stay tuned, check it out. So today what I'm working on is the front clip. As you can see, the bumper, hood, fenders are all one, which is kind of nice, but it's kind of a pain in the butt at the same time when you're one guy trying to move it around. This scoop here was completely missing before. There was 3 pieces, 1, 2, the third one down there. And I went ahead and applied some body filler, got all the pieces back in place, got everything roughly sanded down to where it's got to be. So now what I'm gonna do, give the third coat of body filler sand, and then I can start applying fiberglass cloth on the backside to help strengthen everything up. Even though everything's solid right now, if I hit a curb or something, I don't want this to blow up. I want it to hold together. So yeah, let's go ahead, sand down this body filler. It's gonna get super dusty, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put my mask on, and maybe I'll get a couple of GoPro shots and whatnot as well too. So let's just get into it. Bodywork takes time, guys. I got like the third or the fourth coat of body filler on the front lip. I'm trying to get the front bumper completely even so all the lines look correct and straight. Once I'm done sanding the front lip tomorrow, I'll go ahead and make sure I sand it down in the various grits and apply some primer. Day 3, guys. I got primer laid down onto the front lip. Let's go ahead and put the front end back onto the car, see how it looks. We got primer on the front lip, guys. I got the crack that was right here fixed, as well as the scoop that was in 3 pieces is now 1, and it's looking pretty good. It's looking really good. I'm really happy with how it came out. You can't see any of the cracks or where any of the joints were, you know. So now that I got primer on it, I can lay down some guide coat and I could go ahead, fix all these little pinholes that were hard to see and that I missed, and do a final coat of some fine body filler just to finish it all off. But yeah, it took about 3 days, you know, working 10 hours a day anyways, so I'm doing this just in the evenings for like an hour a night. But we made some huge progress. The front clip is almost all done. So let's go ahead, mount this onto the car, see how the body lines look from the correct level, because right now it's up on a stand, and looking at it from this angle here, I'm seeing a lot of the underside, so it's hard to gauge how the lines are looking. So let's go ahead, mount it onto the car, and check out the lines and see how it looks. So I gotta do a little bit more work on the hood latch. It's not latching right now, not a big deal. I'm glad that it won't latch because I don't want to get it stuck on right now. So let's go ahead, pull the car out of the carport, dust it off, and have a look at all the body lines. idling really high. Still got to take it on the road and let the IAC valve figure itself out so that the computer resets. This car probably hasn't run in like 5 to 10 years. I changed a bunch of parts on it. I've done a lot of upgrades to the car. New fuel pump, plugs, wires, you name it. So we got to take it out for a good road test, get it over 40 kilometers an hour or 40 miles per hour, and let the computer reset itself. So hopefully we're gonna get it painted first and then do the road test. But yeah, let's check out the body lines on the front lip, see how things are looking. That is looking sick, guys. I think I got all the body lines pretty close to being straight from this angle with the hood being mounted. Everything's lining up really well. So there's just a couple of pinholes that I'm gonna have to go ahead and fix. Check that out. Boom. Looks super good. Body lines look really good. The whole hood is still gotta get pushed back about an inch. You can see the gap right below the headlights. So that'll all get sucked up once it's latched down. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Scoop, everything looks good. Well guys, I am beyond stoked to get this front lip job done. Took me 3 days during the week, just like an hour every night to sand it down, body filler it, fix the cracks, you name it. We still got a fiberglass cloth from the backside, but everything's sturdy, strong right now, but I definitely want to reinforce the backside with some fiberglass cloth, fiberglass weave, just to strengthen it up. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys next time. Ciao, ciao.